Hello and welcome to a short screencast demonstration of the NUVI app. I am going to be demonstrating today how you can use the NUVI app to practice Ericksonian languages. So let's get started. So this is the main screen, and you can see here that we have 3 words in the middle and a word cloud in the background. Now, what I'm going to be doing is taking each of these 3 words and using them as a basis for generating my own Ericksonian language. So, when it changes here, let's get started. And after all the things that you have seen, you may seek a new level of knowledge that is easy to then activate all of the new beliefs that you can find to be necessary for your growth as a human being. And all of these growths and opportunities causes you to feel a glanative sense of achievement, and yet that achievement may convince you of a new kind of enjoyment that is necessary for you, meanwhile, to grow and to have fun with your new abilities that are able, I mean really able, then to forget the awareness that is necessary to be listening for the things that are new. And as you design these new abilities in yourself, you may find the energy that makes it possible to prove the true nature of beauty in your world. And it's easy that's right, somewhere. Now, you can balance with wisdom gracefully all of the ways, that's right, for you to become what you are. And yet, as you energize yourself and your beliefs, you may find satisfaction, and that satisfaction often makes you seek all of the opportunities that are surrounding you while you play and enjoy with this new awareness that you have now. Alright, so you probably get the idea. You basically are using the words in the middle as a basis for Ericksonian language, and then you can use the words in the background to kind of sprinkle them in every once in a while. So that's how you practice with NUVI. Have fun.